Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 2 stocks that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions like we always do here on this channel. Now, before we begin, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in. And also don't forget to click on that subscribe button along with that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on these videos. So let's begin. This video is going to be very, very brief. All right, and straight to the point. It's 8:12 again. The market is about to open in 18 minutes. Right now, it's looking decent to the long side, but it could be a trap. All right, as you can see right here, there is the bullish pennant on the chart. It is there. All right, it is there, and it all depends on how it breaks out. Like, it really all depends. Yesterday, I told y'all that it would open up at 45, 44. Right now, it is at 45, 44, which is a good thing, right? It's a good thing. And I told y'all that it will roll over today. And right now, we will see if that is true or not, all right? It has the tendency to open up higher. Like, it opens up higher here, retests, breaks down throughout the entire day. Very disappointing day, right? And then today it opens up higher again, and I think it might happen. Like, even the angles at which these things are rising is kind of falling, which is a common feature of a downtrend. Like, the angle from here to here is like 50%, and then the angle from here to here is exactly half. Well, maybe not exactly half, but it's 20%, or it's 20 degrees. I mean, 20 degrees. So it's like it's very tough to be bullish at the moment. It really all depends. It really all depends on how this thing unfolds. So watch that thing for a breakout and for it to stay at 47. That way we can like change our perspective about the whole market. All right, or just watch this thing to just collapse. Be very patient and try not to have a bias. Again, the conditions right now are very tough, very tricky. There is no easy money in the market currently. All right, so just be patient and trade what's in the front of you. Okay, now the first stock that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today, that stock is Netflix. All right, we're gonna talk about Netflix really quick. All right, now regarding Netflix has earnings. Okay, Netflix has earnings. Is a very it might provide an opportunity before then. Again, it is in this channel. It is still trying to make some type of move. It is still trying to make some type of recovery. There may be a run prior to earnings to like 530, and then holding through earnings. Again, this is not something that I would ever recommend to anybody. All right, it is 150% gambling, but I will tell you this: given the fact that it's been beaten down by 24% all the way from the top, right? And if you look on the daily time frame, like it has massive room to either side. I think the reaction is gonna be very wild. It's gonna be a wild earnings for Netflix. So it could go either way. Like, it could literally shoot up to like 560, or it could drop to like 450. All right, so that's my very honest thoughts on Netflix right now. Watch for the intraday opportunities on it, potentially to the long side at the max height of 530. Again, for a day trade, not a swing trade. All right, the next one that I'm going to share with all of you, that stock is AAPL, Apple. All right, now regarding Apple, this one is a very classic head and shoulders on here. It is about to open up slightly higher at 167, which would be right, I'm gonna draw this out for y'all, which will be right here, 167. All right, and depending on what happens out the gates, which I'm leaning more towards bearish, I really am. I think it's going to open up exactly at the same price and then just drop right here all the way down to like 164 or 163. I am watching for that move. All right, So definitely keep your eyes on Apple for that thing to happen. The market is about to open up in 15 minutes. All right, now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. We're only going to talk about one because I gotta upload this video right quick. The first one, the one that I want to talk about is Disney. All right, now with Disney right here, is it good for a long yet? That is what somebody asked in the comment section. It's bouncing up with the market. Yes, that is a good thing. And when I look out to the left, it says right here, Disney double CEO paid to 32 million. Okay, that's I don't see how that may cause the spike, the stock to spike just a little bit. It may, but when I look at just the chart, right, and I see this thing right here, it is at support. It's trying to bounce off of it. Just watch out if it breaks it. Like if it breaks it, it's probably gonna go all the way down to 140. There is that bear flag on the chart. It's there. It's clean. Well, it really, yeah, it is kind of clean. It is kind of clean. Watch out for the bear flag. Again, it could continue on here and just zigzag in here before breaking down later, right? Or it could just break down here today. Either one of these scenarios is going to happen, but just definitely be careful, especially with these market conditions today. And that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are brand new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on the pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:20. This one will be released at around like 8:35ish, right? Any post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you'd like to be part of a private Discord community, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at NGumah and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850 right after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is NGumah with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.